So we're in a little monster, and it's a little bouncy because it's riding on springs. It has non-existent struts on it, if you can tell. We're pretty bouncy. But do you hear the knocking? Do you hear that? Those are link bars, by the way, in case you didn't know. Just a quick tip: if your car or vehicle is making this kind of noise, most likely hits link bars, especially with the suspension wore out. So I'm on the turn here, and we're going to take this to the. Oh God, no! We're going to take this to the. Oh God, that's bouncy. We're going to take this to the shop and try to figure out what's up with this. So yeah. So it could be a resistor completely out, but the fan speed worked before it quit working, and it's intermediate, meaning sometimes it'll work perfect and sometimes it don't. And when I got the car, it quit doing that, so we have nothing. Now what I find odd is I can turn these here, right here. The AC compressor or something buzzing in this. I don't know what it is. Now it quit. Okay. Maybe it's the flap for the defroster. Maybe. I'm not sure, but the first thing you should check is your fuses and relays. And remember, most cars has got two fan blower fuses, usually on the inside and one on the outside. So check all your fuses. And ever so often you need to check all your fuses anyway. I'm suspecting this might be a relay issue. And if so, we can just toss a relay in it and we have everything fixed, and we don't have to have the dash out in another video to fix it. Yeah, let's hope. So the cars were fixed, and you even though it's a little rough around the edges, but it was affordable. So your fuse box for these monster trees is right here under the hood, and there's a relay in there we need to find. Give me a fuse box, and it would be inside this. So see what we got. Here we go. That's the main fuse, starter, right here. What in the world am I? Okay. What's the heater? Is it like this? Okay, I figured it out. Took a minute. The starter's the 20, the heater is here. This is the heater relay. What we can do is pop this cap off and then touch it and see if the blower motor comes on. Or we can steal a relay from here and put over there. Because we know the starter works. We just swap it. Make sure the car is off before you do this, of course. Same part numbers on the relays. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. We got you. In you go. In you go. And now we get inside and try to fix it. Oh God. Will it start? It started. Blower motor. No blower motor. That sucks. Huh. I guess it is maybe a resistor or a blower. I got some kind of knock. Sounds like exhaust. So turn that back off. Put your relays back around. But we're not defeated, because now we know it's not a relay issue. It's either a ground issue, it's either a resistor issue, it's either the controller or the blower motor. But it's best to check the relays first, so you don't go tossing money at something you don't need. Does that knock? It's a little stuttery. Sounds like exhaust. Yeah, something else we check into. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Check your relays first. Just check. It might not fix my issue, but I have fixed many cars before in the past with fan blower motors and stuff. Issues that people put new blower motors in, new resistors, and you know, even a new fan controller, which gets expensive, and still have the same problem, and it be a relay acting up or sticking. Just check your relays. It's the cheapest repair you can do. And if it's sticking, you know, or if it's just out and won't engage, then you know you saved a ton of money. You didn't go tossing the parts cannon at it. You know, you just eventually you fix the problem. You toss enough money at it, but some things you don't need to replace, and everybody's on a budget. So thanks for watching. Check the eBay store out in the description below. It might be something you might need, you didn't know you need. It's a little extra support for me, but don't buy nothing you don't need. You know, if you need it and you like it, thumbs up. By watching helps. Drop a like helps. And thank you for the support.